You know that moment where you're having a wonderful conversation in Spanish with someone, and suddenly you want to bring something up, but you're not quite sure how to do that. It's like, bueno, yo, ah. If that has happened to you, don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Hi everyone, I'm Daniel, and today we're gonna fix that. I'll teach you 3 sentence starters that will make your conversation feel more smoother and natural. These phrases are commonly used by native speakers, and you love how practical they are. I'm talking about es decir, en mi opinión, and a propósito. You may have heard them before. Well, today we're going to break them down for you and show you exactly how to use them in a real-life conversation. Ready? Our first phrase is es decir que. Repeat after me. Es decir que. It means, in other words. We use it when we want to clarify something, or maybe we want to rephrase it in a simpler way. Or maybe we want to expand an idea in more detail. Let us now see how to use it with some examples. El trámite no es presencial. Es decir, se puede realizar en línea. Ir al cine con la familia es un lujo. Es decir, el cine es muy caro. Hoy comienza la primavera. Es decir, que habrá días con muchas horas de sol. Try to use es decir que the next time you wish to clarify something in Spanish. It'll make you sound supernatural. Let's try now, en mi opinión. Repeat after me. En mi opinión. Make sure to stress that last syllable in opinión. Opinión. And if you wish to know a little bit more on how to stress syllables correctly and nail that intonation, we have a couple of videos in our channel that you'll find very practical. You'll find a link to those videos in the description box below. En mi opinión means, in my opinion. And we use this phrase when we want to share our opinion about something with other people. It's like saying, well, here's what I think, but in a very respectful way, because it shows that you are aware that other people may think differently. Here are some examples. En mi opinión, el café colombiano es el mejor del mundo. En mi opinión, deberíamos estudiar más para el examen. Me gustan los libros de historia. En mi opinión, nos ayudan a entender mejor el pasado. So, feel free to use en mi opinión whenever you wish to share your thoughts with others and at the same time show that you respect their ideas. Now, you probably noticed that these phrases are actually simple. The best way to learn them is to use them as much as you can in everyday conversation. Remember, the more you speak, the more comfortable and natural you feel. And if you want some personalized help to learn more phrases that you can use in real-life conversations, then you can book a free lesson with one of our certified teachers at Spanish55.com.
My name is Amber Christian, and I've been with Spanish 55 for 5 months now. I have tried to learn another language, Spanish specifically, for about 10 years. For anyone that wants to learn Spanish, Spanish 55 is the way to go. It's effective, it's affordable, the coaches are passionate about the student success, and what do you have to lose?
Let us now give our attention to our final phrase. A propósito. Repeat after me. A propósito. Which means, by the way. This phrase is perfect to either introduce a new idea or to when you wish to add something to the conversation that is related to what you were just talking about. Like when you're chatting with someone and suddenly you remember something that you wish to bring up. Let's now see a propósito in action. Queremos ir al cine el fin de semana. A propósito, ¿ya viste la nueva película de Marvel? Gracias por tu llamada. A propósito, ¿cómo conseguiste mi número? Estamos hablando siempre de fútbol. A propósito, ¿sabes cuándo es el próximo juego? To feel more comfortable, try using this phrase when you're talking to friends or family. It's such a casual and natural way to add ideas to the conversation. Now, before we go, let us know in the comments how would you like to use these phrases. And if you're starting your Spanish learning journey, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss any of our latest videos. A propósito, would you like to learn some tips from other Spanish learners? Then check out our podcast, Conquering Spanish. It's all about people who never gave up on their dreams of learning Spanish and how they overcame their challenges. That's all for today, my friends. Thank you for joining us. Hasta la próxima.